'Twas a month before Christmas, and all through the night not a person was out in the snow falling light. The Christmas trees were up to spread holiday cheer, to fight this dreaded quarantine and improve the atmosphere. The kitties were snuggled up in their owners' beds, while visions of catching birds and squirrels danced in their heads. She sat at her piano to play a festive jingle, because she was single and we weren't allowed to mingle, drinking holiday cocktails to help ease the pain. That toasting alone just isn't the same. COVID for Christmas? Who ordered that? Not you or me, and for sure not the cat. Unless that was your plan, Pumpkin, right from the start, because you just didn't want to spend Christmas apart. Hey guys, it's Faith. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very special December festive video. It's going to be 4 cocktails that are Christmas themed that I'm going to show you how to make. I'm going to link down the recipes and I'm going to try them for the first time with all of you guys. Let's get into this video. Alright, so I went to the LCBO and here is all the alcohol that I got. So, as you can see, I got some red wine because we're going to be making mulled wine. I got some brandy. I got some St. Germain's elderflower, some spiced rum, some more red, some vodka, and some gin. So I wanted each recipe to have a different form of alcohol in it in case some of you don't enjoy specific ones. So our first one we're going to be doing is the mulled wine recipe. Alright, I have to combine all ingredients into a saucepan. I also have some oranges and some limes. So this recipe calls for wine, oranges, cinnamon, mulling spices, sweetener, and extra liqueur. I'm putting an entire bottle of red wine. I have no clue if this is any good. Cabernet Sauvignon. Got some cinnamon sticks. So we're going to put in 2. Next we're going to do are these cloves. Oh, these smell really nice actually. I'm just eyeballing it here. It said a couple teaspoons. Now we're going to put in some of the brandy. Now we're supposed to heat this baby on medium-high for about 15 minutes. Let it simmer. Alright, so the next recipe is going to be some eggnog and spiced rum. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Now this one, I believe it's fairly simple. Now all we do is add a little bit of eggnog, like so. Add a little bit of the rum. Let's do half an ounce maybe a little less, just a little bit. Give it a bit of a stir with a cinnamon stick. Maybe add a little bit of whipped cream. Okay, that doesn't look as good as I thought it would. Add cinnamon stick. Looks yummy. Okay, so this next one is a little bit more complicated. It's called a Grinch Punch. Now, I don't have any pitchers, so I think I'm gonna use like a big container, mix everything together, and then pour it in a glass. Let's see how it looks like. Alright, I've decided we're using the bowl for the salad spinner, and we're gonna make our punch. So, we need 4 cups of water. 2, and 4. Now we need 4 cups of ice. So let's do that. Just add a whole thing of yeast. We need to open one of these Jello packets. So this is gonna give it the Grinch green color that I'm looking for. So we're gonna do 3 cups of the Diet 7-Up. So let's do that. All right, I promise my kitchen did not look this messy before I started the video. That is a promise. It's looking awful now, I get it. Now we do 2 cups of juice, and I picked this one here. So this is orange and grapefruit. Now we're gonna add a can of sparkling water. Now, this recipe is calling for 2 cups of vodka. That's a lot. Let's do 1 cup or a cup and a half maybe, and go from there. So now we're going to add, this is gonna be some of the sugar that's gonna go on the rim of the glass. Now we're just going to rim the glass like so, and dip it. There we go, and now we can add the punch. Now our last drink I am the most excited about because I really am a gin fanatic. That is my drink of choice. So this one is called Cranberry Gin Fizz, and I actually have to make my own syrup here. So let's try this out. Okay, so now I'm making a syrup for the Cranberry Gin Fizz. So I just have about 3/4 cup of water, 3/4 cup of sugar, and about a cup of cranberries. Now we're just gonna let this simmer for about 10 minutes. All right, so while I get the syrup ready, I'm gonna get the drink prepared. So what do we need? Okay, now we're going to add the gin, which is 2 ounces. So let's open this baby up. 3/4 of an ounce. Pour that in there. Then we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of this elderflower liqueur. Now I've never tried this before, so I'm really looking forward to it. We're also gonna add some lemon sparkling soda. It's time for the reveal. Here are the 4 lovely Christmas drinks. This is the mulled wine, the Grinch punch with vodka, the eggnog and rum, and here is the Cranberry Gin Fizz. Looks delicious. Can't wait to try them. Now it's time for me to give you my actual thoughts and opinions about this. I haven't tried any of them yet because I wanted to get it on camera. So I actually had to switch tops because I ended up getting red wine on my other top. So let's try not to do that again. I'm gonna go for the mulled wine first because it is the only hot drink on the recipe. So let's give it a try. Genuinely, it's good. However, I'm not used to drinking my wine warm like apple cider. Like, it's not bad by any means. I would probably prefer sangria, honestly. It's not bad. I don't know if it's my cup of tea though. Now, let's try the eggnog, because I've been interested in this one as well. So I made it a little bit more decadent by adding some whipped cream. It kind of looks gross now that it's like melting. I did this the other day actually. I was cheating, I kind of got excited, and I put way too much spiced rum in compared to the eggnog. So I put a lot less this time. Hopefully it'll be a lot better. That is divine, everyone. No joke, that is delicious. Ooh. I am lactose intolerant. I have not taken my pill yet, but it's okay. All right, now I'm gonna try the Grinch Punch. Now, originally the recipe called for lemon lime Kool-Aid mix. However, I couldn't find any of that at the store, so I just used Jell-O. So that is making me wonder whenever I do drink this tomorrow, like if I leave it in the fridge, if it's going to solidify. I didn't heat up any of the water or anything to prepare the Jell-O in true Jell-O form, but let's see what this tasted like. So it's good. Remember when I was saying 2 cups of vodka might have been too much? I think I was wrong. I think this definitely could be a little stronger. I only made the face because I'm not actually used to drinking drinks with like salting sugar or whatever on the rim, so it's a little bit different, but I actually really like this. This Grinch drink could definitely be dangerous because it does not taste like alcohol. Okay, here's the final one that I am the most excited about. So it's cranberry gin fizz, and I was at the store at the LCBO and I was looking for elderflower liqueur and I couldn't find any. And I was actually there for so long because I found a big bottle, but it was $50. So then I decided not to get it, and if I was making this recipe I would just omit it. But then I found it at the cash in a tiny bottle. So it smelled really good. It smelled like ice wine. I believe this is just for garnish, you know, to make it look more Christmassy. I probably won't be drinking that. Now this is probably gonna be the strongest drink, but let's see how it goes. Okay. It's definitely a little bit tart, and that would depend on the amount of cranberry syrup that you add into this drink. It's not bad though. It's actually kind of refreshing. Next time I would probably omit the thyme because I am getting a very strong thyme taste in my mouth. It actually kind of tastes like mint a little bit as well. But I would definitely finish this drink. My favorite are probably these 3. The mulled wine wasn't necessarily my forte, and maybe, you know, maybe I just didn't make it right. But yeah, these are all really good, guys. I definitely recommend you trying them. And look how festive. Cheers! So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, please feel free to give it a like and or subscribe. I'm always trying to gain more followers in order to, you know, build momentum and do more videos. So let me know what other holiday themed videos you'd like to see. I'm actually filming next week a very triply Christmas video with my sisters. I hope you guys have a great night, a Merry Christmas of course, but I should see you again on YouTube before then. All right, take care everyone, and have a good night.